Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the skin quickly. Cleanse and apply an oil-free primer so liner adheres and doesn't transfer. Once primed, open your eye and locate the hood fold. This is usually about 1/3 from the inner corner, and it tells you where liner will hide. Then use a light dotting technique to map your lash line and place tiny marks slightly above the visible lid so the liner remains visible when your eye is open. Now you draw a controlled base. With a fine tip pen, use short connected strokes rather than one long sweep so you can follow natural curvature. Make the line thin at the inner corner and gradually thicken toward the outer third to lift the eye. This prevents a heavy inner line that disappears under the hood. Once done, tilt your head back and gently pull the outer corner for stability. Make sure to check with eyes naturally open to adjust thickness for visibility. Finish by extending a small wing angled up about 10 to 15 degrees to visually lift the eye. This compensates for the hood and draws the gaze outward. Once shaped, set the liner with a matching eyeshadow or a light dusting of translucent powder to reduce transfer. If things go wrong and you get smudges or uneven edges, use a cotton swab dipped in micellar water to gently remove the mistake, then conceal and retouch. This preserves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.